BMW is a well-known and respected automotive brand with a rich history. It is known for producing luxury vehicles that emphasize performance, driving dynamics, and innovative technology. And yes, I am the one of so many their fans. We all know that BMW has a wide range of models, from sedans and SUVs to sports cars and electric vehicles. So today, let's talk about the top 5 best performance vehicles you shouldn't miss out. With the comparison of all the BMW models back to 2020 first, here are 5 BMW models that are generally considered to be both affordable and reliable while offering good performance. First one is BMW E46. The E46 330i is known for its balance, handling, and performance. We just had the discussion in our last video. It's equipped with a 3-liter inline-6 engine producing around 225 horsepower. It's a popular choice for those seeking a reliable and relatively affordable BMW. The current price is about $6,000 to $14,000. Second one is the BMW E39. The E39 540i is a powerful and well-regarded model. It features a 4.4-liter V8 engine producing around 282 horsepower. It offers a great balance of performance and luxury while still being relatively affordable in the used car market. And the next one, let's see the BMW E90. The E90 335i is part of the 3 Series lineup and is known for its turbocharged inline-6 engine. It delivers impressive power, with the models producing around 300 horsepower. While prices may vary, it can provide a great balance of performance and affordability. The current price is $600 to $15,000. Next, let's see the BMW E82. The E82 135i is a compact and sporty coupe that offers excellent performance. It comes with the turbocharged inline-6 engine, producing around 300 horsepower. It's known for its nimble handling and strong acceleration. The current price is $8,000 to $15,000. And the last is the BMW E36 M3. While the E36 M3 is considered a high-performance BMW, it can still be found at a relatively affordable prices compared to the newer M3 models. It features a 3-liter inline-6 engine with around 240 horsepower and offers a thrilling driving experience. The current price is $7,000 to $50,000. The prices and availability can vary over time and depending on your location. It's always recommended to do the thorough research and inspections when considering purchasing a used car to ensure its condition and reliability. Per list top 5 vehicles, the debates for the best car that BMW ever made are never end between E90 and E46. BMW E90 and E46 are 2 different generations of the BMW 3 Series, and they have their own distinct characteristics and features. Here's the comparison between the 2. For the design, the E90, produced from the 2005 to 2013, and the E60, produced from the 1998 to 2006, have the different design aspects. The E90 features a more modern and angular design, while the E46 has a sleek and curvier appearance. And about the technology, the E90 introduced several technological advancements compared to the E46. It features iDrive, BMW's infotainment system, which offered enhanced multimedia capability. The E90 also had more advanced safety features and options like the adaptive cruise control and active steering, which were not available or limited on the E46. And about the performance, both the E90 and E46 offer a range of engine options, including various petrol and diesel engines. However, the E90 introduced new engine options like the twin turbocharged M54 engine in the 335i model, which provide impressive power and performance compared to the E46 engines. The E90 also had improved handling and suspension systems, contributing to a more refined and agile driving experience. Next, let's see its interior space. The E90 had a slightly larger interior, providing more legroom and headroom compared to the E46. This increased the cabin space, offered improved comfort for both the driver and passenger. Next is quality. While the E46 is generally regarded as a well-built and reliable model, the E90 saw improvement in terms of the overall build quality and materials. The E90 featured better insulation, reducing noise and vibration levels inside the cabin. And last, let's see the price. As the E90 is a newer generation, it tends to have a higher price in the used car market compared to the E46. However, the specific price can vary depending on the factors such as mileage, condition, and optional features. It's important to note that the individual preference, needs, and priorities can play a significant role in deciding between the E90 and the E46. Consider factors such as the budget, desired features, performance requirements, and the personal design preference when making a choice between these two BMW 3 Series generations. How's your experience with BMW? Comment below to let us know your ideal BMW models and why. In our last video, we talked about E46 M3, already about its common problems hacks to maintain the cars. So today, we'd like to talk about more about the E90. The lifespan of the BMW E90 engine can vary depending on various factors such as the maintenance, driving conditions, and individual driving habits. However, with the proper care and maintenance, it's not uncommon for a BMW E90 engine to last well over 200,000 miles or more. The regular maintenance, including the oil changes, fluid replacement, and following the manufacturer's recommended service intervals, is crucial for the longevity of the engine. Using the high-quality fluids, performing the timely repairs, and addressing any issues promptly can also help extend the engine's lifespan. Additionally, driving habits can have an impact on engine longevity. Gentle driving, avoiding the aggressive acceleration and high RPMs, and allowing the engine to warm up properly before pushing it hard can help reduce wear and prolong the engine's life. It's important to note that the individual experience may vary, and there can always be exceptions depending on various factors. Anyway, the regular maintenance and the proactive care are the key to maximizing the lifespan of any car engine, including the BMW E90. And this leads us to the most popular car, which being discussed often recently, and that's the BMW i8. Once again, this model is another hot baby myself really dream to own. The BMW i8 is a plug-in hybrid sports car that combines the future design with hybrid technology. It features a striking and aerodynamic exterior design that stands out on the road. The i8 has a unique and sporty appearance, with butterfly doors and sleek lines. Performance-wise, the i8 offers a combination of an electric motor and a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, delivering a total system output around 369 horsepower. It provides impressive acceleration and can go from 0 to 60 mph in just over 4 seconds. One notable aspect of the i8 is its hybrid drivetrain, allowing it to operate in electric-only mode for short distance. This helps reduce emissions and improve fuel efficiency. The i8 also offers different driving modes, including the Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro, which allow drivers to customize the driving experience to their preference. Inside the cabin, the i8 features a modern and driver-focused design. It incorporates high-quality materials, including carbon fiber elements. and the advanced technology features such as a digital instrument cluster and a large central display for the infotainment and navigation. While the i8 offers impressive performance and a unique design, it's important to consider the factors such as the practicality, as the i8 is a two-seater with limited trunk space. Additionally, the i8's hybrid system and advanced technology components may require less specialized maintenance and could potentially have higher repair costs compared to the traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. Ultimately, options on the BMW i8 may vary among the individuals based on their preference for design, performance, and the integration of hybrid technology. It's recommended to research and test drive the i8 to determine if it aligns with your specific desires and requirements. BMW vehicles are often praised for their handling capabilities, powerful engines, and high-quality interiors. The brand has a reputation for producing cars that deliver a sporty and engaging driving experience. Like any brand, BMW has its strengths and weaknesses. Some potential considerations for BMW owners or prospective buyers include the cost of the ownership, maintenance and repair expense, and the complexity of some of the other advanced technology found in the newer BMW models. Alright, I'm so grateful that you watched the video till the end. If you get any nice ideas from our video, please thumbs up and forward to your friends who may need it. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out our next video. And I will see you very soon next time. Adios!